Hi, we are here with Aisha, the first woman I'm interviewing today.
Okay.
So good. Can you
Amazing.
please introduce a bit yourself, what you do, and just tell us about your project.
Definitely. Thanks a lot. Welcome to Istanbul, first of all.
Thank
Hoş
you.
geldin. So I am Aisha. My name is actually Ayşegül Şensoy. So I'm the chair of Istanbul Blockchain Women Association. On the other hand, I've been in the industry for more than 8 years. Now I'm running a company headquarters in Dubai, but based in Istanbul. So I'm running the Turkey and CIS region. It's a Fuze, a regulated digital asset service provider.
Nice.
We are providing services for institutional players mainly and brokerage services for whole region.
You bring in basically project, let's say you're making project legal, right? That's basically what you're doing. What shift have you been seeing in the project you are onboarding and you see in the Web3 space recently?
A couple years ago, we don't see that much men or women with this kind of clothes in Web3 seminars or webinars. But nowadays, I think with the help of mass adoption and regulation, I think these two worlds are coming closer. And Web3 is looking very close to the projects happening in Web2 and vice versa. So all Web2 players are already being interested in Web3, but they didn't know how to get in. So regulation helped them to get in. On the other hand, Web3 projects is also copying and following the projects have been successful in Web2. So these two worlds are becoming very closer. They also are producing their own products with their own personality.
Yeah, I guess we have more real world use cases products than before. And maybe we can say that the Web3 is becoming less degen as well, right?
Unfortunately, yeah. So sad to say that, but yes. But it's evolving, like everything is evolving. So it's a part of the process, I guess.
That's how you get to mass adoption anyway. We can't just have degen in the space,
true.
otherwise it only stay like within us, you know?
True.
I want to ask you something more about women in the space. As you run an organization that help onboarding women in Web3, clearly we have more men than women. What do you think we can tell women to get involved into Web3? Why they should get involved into Web3?
First of all, my advice for women is to just jump into the water, right? Just don't watch by the side, because like the numbers, the statistics are very sad, especially in the crypto ecosystem. Only 4% of the cryptocurrency CEOs are women right now. And like normally, we have 50 men and 50 women in real life. So these numbers should be aligned. It's also very important for the development, for empowerment is quite important, because as much as we have more women in the industry moves faster. It was worse before, but nowadays, thanks again to the mass adoption, we'll see more women. But the problem nowadays is we don't see much women in the decision-making level. We see women more and more, but not on the C-level processes or C-level in the company. So this is a little bit, we still need to look at it.
I actually saw some articles about the Web3 project led by women are more likely to succeed, and also female portfolio wallet are performing better than men. That's what the article said. And he also gave explanation. He said that it's because women are less about speculation and less about like impulsive things, and we think things through like in a better way, and we are more like, I don't know, stable in doing things long term, like we don't rush. So what do you think about this?
It's actually directly with genetics and like our nature, right? Because women has a different nature than men. We both are human in the end, but women are taking in consideration details more than men, and they are taking stress in a better way than men, so they can perform under stress better than men. And we are not always competing with each other, because competition is the genetics of men actually. Yes, some women likes to compete also, but we are not born to compete. So we are born to survive and protect the family and protect our neighborhood. This is, these genes comes to trading also and comes to management. So That's true, and like thanks God, it's scientifically approved that women are performing better than men in such cases.
Yeah.
Yeah.
We're gonna have many comments, I think. Usually when I speak about these things, looking forward.
I can take it.
Yeah. I'm gonna ask you more something about the regulatory part as you are into the field. So you're based in Dubai, right?
My company based in Dubai,
Okay.
but we are based in I'm based in Istanbul and managing the Turkey and Turkish market. Actually, both markets are very leading in crypto, right?
Yeah.
Dubai is the head of MENA
Yeah.
region, and Turkey is the number 3 or 4 changes throughout the world and number 1 in Europe. So we have a huge crypto community, and regulatory perspective, Dubai is far beyond, far above for all the other regions. But in Turkey, we just recently have the regulation.
Okay. But Dubai is VARA and here is MENA region, right?
Dubai has VARA institution who is giving these licenses to
Okay.
to those companies.
Okay.
In Turkey, we have different central CMB and other authorities who are giving licenses. So Turkey is different, a part of MENAT region, but not MENA directly.
Okay. So there's been more regulation recently here as well. That's good. Yeah.
And only regulated companies will able to operate in Turkey from now on. And the deadline is 2 days later, so 30th of June. So
Yeah.
whoever submit their application will only be operating
Okay.
in the market. So we are in the very stressful times, but hope it will go good.
What advice do you give us? Because we are a modular blockchain, and as I was explaining before, we have this decentralized KYC that we are doing. Do you think this can help the Web3 ecosystem in getting toward a mass adoption, because can help, from a regulatory perspective, maybe with institutions that want KYC or things like that?
What you guys are doing is amazing, actually, because in this blockchain world, we all need trust.
Yeah.
Trust is the main issue, and what you guys are doing is building trust with some different tools. In Web3, it's a little bit complicated for the ones who are the newcomers, right? Who are not very familiar for Web3.
Yeah.
But such tools and such trust gives them confidence to get into the market. So
Okay.
you are helping them to expand the market and increase the demand for the market. My advice would be only to get to know more about Web2 and Web3 intersections.
Okay.
And we are still in the beginning phases of all this technology.
Yeah.
It's evolving now, AI and other homomorphic encryption is coming, other quantum computing is coming, so many things will change.
Yeah.
We just need to adapt to change, and also there are some institutions or some things have been there for decades, like
Yeah.
the finance will stay,
Yeah, of course.
banking will change, but banks will not stay, but banking will stay. Evolve, yeah.
Yeah.
So we need to also copy them and follow
Yeah.
them also.
Yeah, great, of course.
Yeah, get some feedbacks from the history.
Yeah.
All of.
All right, thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
The first woman I interviewed today. Woo!